All right, guys, so I tried taking it off and it did beat me. I tried to pull it off with some pliers, and then that didn't work, so I put it on my vise, and that didn't work either. So I'll probably take it off a little bit later. Probably have to disassemble some parts out of it. I'll maybe take the snap ring off, but I did verify that it is this thing that twisted. When I was looking at its shape, you could tell it's contortion, like it's twisted. So it's not the fault of this. It's probably just cheap metal from Harbor Freight. But overall, guys, these are good little tools. I will continue using them over time, and then see what kind of see how long they last. I don't see any. I mean, they do have a 2-year warranty, so if anything happens, I will be testing that the Walmart warranty out as well. Nothing much in the tool world right now. I think only the Flex came out with like a mid torque. I'll probably pick that up for review soon. I've been lagging it on the drill, the Warrior versus the Hyper Tough. I'll probably do that soon. I got a few other reviews I'm gonna do. Probably gonna review that ratchet, and then probably this seal puller from Harbor Freight. This thing was like $5. Great little tool. But yeah, guys, overall, these are great little tools. Oh, I did get my 2767 back from Milwaukee. So I will finally be able to put it up against the Ultra Torque. Some people wanted to see that on the shorts. So I'll probably do a short of that a little bit later today. And put it up tomorrow. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any doubts of this Hyper Tough tool brand, put them aside. This is not the same Hyper Tough we saw like a year and a half ago, or whenever before these came out. I do want to get the extended head, so I'll probably pick that up next. But yeah, these are good little tools. I've been working with these daily and no issues yet, other than the contortion bit here that twisted itself in there. But overall, guys, yeah, don't hesitate on picking these up if you're looking for a budget tool, especially this for $39. You get the battery, the charger, and the tool. This one I got it as a combo kit for $39. You get the drill, the driver, one battery, and a charger. So for like $70, or like actually $80, you can get the ratchet, the driver, the drill, and 2 batteries and 2 chargers. So you know, you have no downtime on charging. So yeah, I give these a thumbs up. Pretty good tool, especially if you're on a budget. Great little tool. So stay tuned. I'll have more videos. If anything happens with these, I'll go ahead and make a video as soon as it happens. But yeah, guys, remember, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Or if you're not subscribed, don't hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys, and have a great day. Hey guys, welcome back to Tools on a Budget. Today is just going to be a quick update on these Hyper Tough tools. What I like about them so far, what I don't like about them. I've only been using these two so far. I have yet to even use a drill. I've been kind of lagging it on that. But so far I'm pretty impressed with these tools. They're pretty decent. They're not like a Milwaukee or something, but honestly, when you're using them, you don't even realize you're using a Hyper Tough. It gets the job done, and it keeps on working. As you can see, I have used these quite a bit already. Let's see. So let's go ahead and start with the ratchet. It does have a fuel gauge, kind of like battery indicator. It's not very good. Once it gets about halfway, it's actually closer to like 20-30% battery life. But it does last all day. I can use it to up like even almost 3 days of using it before it actually needs a charge. Hopefully they bring out a little bit bigger batteries so that it lasts a little bit longer. But it's actually decent. You don't even notice it, especially if you're done with, like, if you're like me, when you're done, you put your batteries to charge. You won't have any problems. The lock works pretty good. Still pretty tight on the the trigger. The color does pop out, so it's kind of hard to lose them. I have like a all black cordless ratchet, and sometimes when I put it like on the cowl or whatever, it sometimes it just blends in and I lose it. This one, you don't have an issue with that, especially if it's facing this way. You can see the red. But overall, this one's pretty good. No complaints about this one at all. Power is pretty good as well. It's pretty decent. Like I said, I don't even notice it's hyper tough. Feels like if I was using my Milwaukee. The impact itself, pretty good. The only problem I've had so far with it is that I got this 1/4 inch adapter stuck on the collet. I mean, I could take it out, but I see no point in it, as this is probably the only thing I use it for. I really use it for like 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Anything above that, I really wouldn't use this for, because it probably won't do it. Even like some really tight 10 millimeters, this will have trouble with, just like any other little impact gun. And not just this one too. Keep in mind, I've had problems with the DeWalt and also the Fuel 12 volt, where sometimes the bolt's just a little bit too tough and it won't get it out. But the other day I did the timing chain on an Equinox, and this was able to take off most of those, like all the valve cover bolts came out really easy. I did some of the front timing chain cover bolts with this. The ones I couldn't get with this, I got with this. Overall, very good tool. No, like I said, the only complaint I do have is that it is stuck. It's seized on there pretty good. Like I said, I can get it out with some pliers, but I really see no point, as I'm just gonna put another 1/4 inch one in there. So maybe once this one breaks, or if it ever breaks, I'll go ahead and swap it. Or if I could find a shorter one. Does anybody know anybody that makes these, but like low profile? I mean, I'm sure they can. I haven't really seen any. I would like it to just extend just a little bit higher than here. It's kind of hard to. I haven't been able to find any. I've seen the ones where they come out to like halfway here, and those are cool too. But I really haven't seen anybody that makes the smaller ones. But yeah, guys, this one doesn't have a fuel gauge. It's probably the only downfall. But overall, it's a good little tool. I mean, nothing really wrong with it, other than that, the collet. I don't know if it was just this model or if everybody has trouble with the collets on their Hyper Toughs. But like I said, if you're gonna use it just for 1/4 inch, it's not really. It doesn't really bother me. If you use this for like I don't know, like home use and stuff, then probably it would become a problem if all the collets get locked up like that. I doubt it. I think with the metal being the way it is on this, when I was impacting for a while, I probably fuck, it's the tip of my tongue. I twisted it, and now it's locked in place. I've done that before with the Hercules. I didn't think this was gonna have enough torque to do that, but I mean, you never know. In fact, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to take this off and see if I can put another one, because I do have a few sets of those right here, so I can try to see if it fits differently. So I'll be right back, guys.